Well, it's took a little bit, as you can see. Shed a bit of light on. Took a bit to get off. I ain't done the tunnel yet, but just on the floor. Yeah, I'll get the rest of this off. I'll use some white spirit as well, and that'll clean it off nice. I've done it with a Mountain Escort before, which was like the tacky stuff, and that was a filthy job that. But this is nowhere near as bad as that. So yeah, this will come up a treat once and I'll clean it all back. And then I've just done this one here. So slowly but surely working my way to the back. The peel. Nice, that's clean, that's just the way I want it. Well, everyone wants it, to be honest. Yeah, that is amazing. Thank God for that. No water's travelled up and down that, which is brilliant. Wish it was all this bloody easy. Perhaps it's now, is it? Nice. There's some sitting water there before. Oh. Other than that, it seems to be alright. Hopefully the rest of it will be fine. Obviously that one's already been nailed. And then I'll do the rest of that. Ugh. All good. Yeah, it's not bad, that. Not bad. Cheers. Now then, so I just thought I'd give it a quick blast with the screwdriver and a hammer, and it seems to be coming off a lot cleaner. I think I have seen this before somewhere. I think Keith's done it at Classic Mini Workshop. If I vaguely remember, it came up really clean. Now, I don't know why I'm just remembering this now. It would have saved me a lot of heartache. So yeah, I guess what I'm going to do the rest of it with. Cha-ching! Let's go. See you soon. Bye. Superb. That's come off a lot cleaner. Yeah, it's just really fantastic news. Cool. Right, let's crack on. Right then, so looks like that's most of it off. Just got a little bit here to do. A bit of a clean up, and then obviously we'll get the rags out and get everything on here and get it all cleaned up. I'm not going to bother with the back seat. I think that's pretty much bang on. I'll have a look in the corners just to make sure, but we'll see how we get on. Famous last words and all that. Yeah, but quite a wedge of it. Quite a lot. Anyway, I'll get that dynamite on stuff. I think it is all them sheets that you can get. So yeah, I'll just order a stack of them and then get this all rolled in with a little mini roller. Get it on the cracks and then sorry, the grooves, and then should be good to go. A couple in the bulkhead. Can anyone tell me if you can get these anymore? Because this has been cut. The insulation behind the heater matrix. I haven't seen any yet, but yeah, if someone could tell us where to get one from, that'd be fantastic. And then at least I can put one of them back. I've got one for the front, external, but not one for this one here. Although, it looks like there's a bit at the bottom missing, so I might get away with it. You never know. Right. Anyway, ciao. Right then, it's all cleaned up. Well, all the old soundproofing out, shall we say. I must admit it's pretty tidy. Apart from the obviously the footwell, and the sills. It's got a patch there. That obviously we've had a chat about before. Yeah, I know. It's a bit oily over there, but yeah, they're getting sorted. But it's nice to actually see what state of affairs it's at. So I'm happy with that. I'm pleased. Just need to clean all this off, get it all spick span and all that, and then start the grinding, and hopefully get it all clear of rust. I mean, sorry. Right, cheers everyone, catch you later. Alright, still haven't got this off yet because I've been quite busy getting everything else off that I can get off up to now. Yeah, there was quite a bit left in there. I didn't realise there was that much. Yeah, quite a lot. Obviously seat belts, heater, pedal box. Yeah, wouldn't mind knowing if we can get an internal soundproofing, because that one just is absolutely knacked. I don't know, or if I just put the soundproofing in there and just cut the holes through. I'm not too sure yet, but if I could get one of them, that'd be brilliant. I've got the external ones. That's fantastic. That fits like a dream. But yeah, if I can get the internal one, that'd be fantastic as well. But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. That's quite a bit of weight in that actually. Steering column. Oh yeah. The veins of the car was a nightmare to get out, but yeah, I'm glad it's out now. I can test it and have a look at redoing the wires and stuff like that. But yeah, I've got everything off apart from these little things here. So of course they're screwed into the inner wheel arch. So obviously they get a bit of weather on them and they are solid. So I've just been putting a load of lubricant on them. So I'm not going to risk drilling them because I'll probably snap the plastic as per usual. So I'm just going to leave it and keep dousing it, and then once that's done, it's done. Yeah, it's just see a bit more of the car now, which is good. Didn't see that one. That was a new hole there. That one there. That one there. Great news. Yeah, so I'll get this clean next. Well, shelve all this lot, you know, before I start snapping it. But yeah, get all that shelved and then start cracking on with the removal of the soundproofing glue. Awful job, and not as awful as the last job, I must admit. Last one I did with this was the sticky tar stuff in the sheets, and it was absolutely awful, like treacle. But yeah, this stuff should come off a lot easier, which is good. All right, right. See you on the next one. Try. Well, thanks to Mark at South Lakeland Mini Centre. I changed my mind because I think it was too far gone with the state of the floor. So I've got the repair section up to the first rib. It saved me a lot of welding as well because everything comes with it. All the slinger brackets and everything. I think it's just too far gone. Which is a shame really, because they're not in generally bad condition. It's just weak where it's been welded, and also subsequently myself trying to grind all the old sill off, but yeah, pretty much screwed it. But yeah, gonna put this on, and I've also got one for the other side, which is great. Get new door steps just to alleviate this roughness here. I think this goes all the way back as well at some areas. That's weak, very weak, and it's thin. You can just bend it up. So I'm going to get on both sides. Debating what to do here. I don't know if I can just get away with doing a plate. I'm not too sure. Like I say, these have been replaced before in the past, so I might as well do it again and get some fresh metal in. But this, I don't think it's been replaced, but I'm unsure what to do with that. But I'll see if I can get some advice and see where we go with it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting these on. Pretty decent, in fact. Yeah, very good. All welded and everything, which is fantastic. No need to worry about that. Just need to get the I think it's a slinger bracket, is it? Call it under here. That badger that's been ruined. Yeah, I need to get 4 of them, I think, or 2 and 2, because I think the back ones are different. And get them on. Yeah, look forward to it. Still got to get this stuff off yet. I've been to work, but I work shifts, so it's a bit of a nightmare. And find the motivation back to get back into it is proving difficult, especially with the weather at the minute. So anyway, enough of the morning. Let's get to it. Cheers. Back again. Another day, another 50p. So we've got the kit ready, good to go. Gloves, instruments, turpentine substitute, and then rags. So we'll see how we get on with it. Still haven't got a GoPro or whatever camera. I'm just using my phone still, so deal with it, really. That's all I can say. That's all I've got. Yeah, so hopefully it'll all come off. We'll see how we get on. Hopefully it doesn't take too much paint off, but the mad as it's all getting redone at the end of the day. But right, catch you soon. There we go. I'll just put some on there now. It looks like it's melting it off pretty good. Yeah, we'll cover underneath there just in case, you know what I mean. We'll run through, obviously. Right, let that soak. Just put some of it up there, nicely. Right, let's see how we get on with that. Right, so it's coming off slowly but surely. Obviously, the thicker stuff's going to take a few more dabs, but yeah, leave that with me, and it should all start coming off soon. Yeah, slightly thicker stuff there, like. Messy job, but yeah, we'll get there. See you later. Right, so second coat of that lot. First coat on this. Shouldn't be too bad, it's not as thick as that bit there. So we'll see how we get on with that. And then that's your back seat. And once that's done, obviously crack on with the other half. And then get this off. See you a bit. Right then, see how this coat comes off. Not too shabby. Take another coat, I think, but all in all, it's coming there, isn't it? Let's put you down a sec. Let's get in that dark corner. Yeah, a lot better. Not 100% obviously, but we'll get there. I'll just after a quick wipe. I haven't put any solvent cleaner on yet, but it's come up not too bad. Let's see where the welding's been done, all the way down there. But yeah, quite pleased with that. Obviously I've got a few bits and bats to go with. It's not 100% clean yet, but you get the picture.